What's up YouTube? Greetings to everybody and welcome if you're new to this channel. So today I'm going to show you my WPL C24. It's a crawler 1/16 scale. Really nice model, really. I love them. There are 3 colors available. It's in red with a rooftop on it, blue, and I got this white pickup. So here's the manual. As you can see, it's always normal datas and in English and then Mandarin. So let's open this thing, and yeah, transmitter. It's really small. It's also usable for kids. Really nice. Love it. Yeah, not many switches. It's very easy. It's cheap, but it's enough. Like it. Yeah, let's take a look what's inside. So here are some parts, some spare parts, and we have to assemble some decals. Yeah, really nice. Love it. It's a charger we have. And we have a second Lipo. It's inside. It's a bigger Lipo. It's I will show you. Wait a second. It's about 1300 milliamperes. 2S Lipo. Very nice. Yeah, let's take a first look. So you can see we have assembled some parts. So here's the on-off switch, and yeah, very nice. Very soft shock absorbers. And the whole is another system like normal race cars. So here on this tray, it's the battery tray, really nice. I don't like a box, like a toolbox or something. You see, it's the normal, it's the 500 milliamp Lipo. Doors can be open, so if to assemble the mirrors and some parts. Yeah, but let's take a deeper look at some specs. Yeah, so let's open a little bag with all the parts. Let us see what's inside. Yeah, we have the decals and yeah, some parts. A screwdriver, very nice. And you can see here some spare parts, really tiny parts, and some screws. And I think everything is a double R as a spare. So when you lose or break something, really nice. Here there's a door openers. So let's first put on the side mirror. Yeah, very easy. Just only put it in, and now the door opener. Yeah, now the first decals. So the tiny ones from the lights, from the side markers, and also for the tail lights. You have to get rid of this little tiny plastic sheet, or I don't know how to call it, because you can't get it off. So they're so tiny when you put it in these holes, and the plastic on it. Yeah, it's ready. It's a turn signal or side marker. It's American style. In Europe we don't have this. These are the side boards, the stepping boards. Really easy. 2 screws. First put the screw a little bit through it, and then you can get from behind in it. So very easy. Yeah, ready. That's how it looked like when you put it on. Yeah, very easy. Yeah, and now the windshield wipers. Very tiny, really. It's really small stuff, but it's super easy. Put it in the hole and that's it. The first and the second one, and you're ready.
Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you like what we do, please subscribe.
Yeah, now the 2 chow hooks in red. Super easy. Just clip them on and that's it. And now the air filter snorkel. It's special for off-road cars, so when you're driving through water. And let's put on the back the door opener and another decal. And so again, from the decal for the taillights, we have to get rid of the plastic film. So because you can't get it off. So yes, and a decal on the engine hood. It's this is more easy. You can just put it on and then get rid of the plastic film. Yeah, and that's a little trick from me. I cut the decal a little bit at the doors, so I think it looks more natural. Look. So let's get this thing on the track.